Hey traders, ever had that moment when your indicator hits just right and you feel like the Wolf of Wall Street? Well, check this out. Here's a buy signal that made us look like geniuses. And this sell signal, chef's kiss, pure profit. You know what they say, even a broken clock is right twice a day. But this tool is actually decent most of the time. Stick around because I'm about to show you how to turn this hidden gem into your new trading bestie. If this video makes you feel smarter than your crypto-obsessed cousin, smash that like button. Let's dive into the good stuff. First, head over to TradingView, your one-stop shop for chart watching instead of Netflix. I'm using GBP JPY on the 1 hour time frame because who doesn't love a currency pair that sounds like a Star Wars droid? Search for Two-Pole Oscillator by Big Beluga. No relation to the whale, unfortunately. Now, the two-pole oscillator is like your phone's camera filter, but for price action, it smooths out all those annoying market wrinkles using a two-pole filter. In human speak, it's designed to give you cleaner signals than your average indicator having a bad hair day. Let's break down the components faster than your New Year's resolution. Double-click and activate the Last Plot option in the Title tab. This adds a thin blue line, the signal line, that's about to become your new BFF. The oscillator itself plays dress-up between purple and blue, and when these two lines cross, magic happens. When the oscillator crosses above the signal line, boom, buy signal pointing up like your portfolio hopes to go. Crosses below, you get a sell signal faster than you can say bear market. And because we're fancy, these signals show up both in the oscillator window and the chart window. It's like getting two indicators for the price of one. Now let's talk about those dotted lines. They're not just there to look pretty. These are your invalidation levels, aka your I should probably get out of this trade lines. Think of them as your trading safety net, because sometimes even the best signals need a backup plan. When price touches these invalidation levels, you get an X mark, kind of like your X marking their territory, but way less dramatic. This X means your trade idea just got friend-zoned by the market. If you had stop losses there, which you should because YOLO is not a trading strategy, they probably got triggered. Here's the nerdy part. Put on your glasses for this one. The oscillator is basically doing math gymnastics, calculating price deviations from a mean value. The two-pole filtering is like running your signals through a spam filter twice. It's getting rid of all that market noise that makes your charts look like a toddler's crayon masterpiece. In the settings department, because who doesn't love customization, you can play around with the filter length. Think of it like adjusting your coffee strength. More filtering means smoother signals, but might make you a bit slow to react. Less filtering, you'll be jumpy like after your third espresso. Choose wisely. Now let's talk about those overbought and oversold levels. They're like your market's mood ring. 0 is the meh zone, plus 0.5 and minus 0.5 are the getting interesting zones, and +1 and -1 are the okay, now we're talking zones. For our super secret strategy, don't tell your trading buddies, we're bringing in the volumetric variable index dynamic average. Let's call it VIDYA because life's too short for long indicator names. Set that VIDYA length to 34. Why 34? Because 33 was too low and 35 was too high, obviously. This VIDYA thing is like your market's mood lighting. Green for bullish vibes, red for bearish feels. And just like you need more than just good lighting for a perfect selfie, you need the delta volume to be at least 20% to confirm you're not just seeing things. For the perfect long trade, drumroll please, you want your buy signal to play it cool below that 0.5 level because nobody likes an overexcited signal. Make sure VIDYA is rocking that green look and check that delta volume is pumping above 20% like your gym motivation in January. Remember that 2-candle delay? It's like your fashionably late friend always making you wait 2 candles before showing up to the party. But patience pays off. Place your stop loss under that invalidation level because hope is not a strategy, and aim for profits at 1.5 times your risk because go big or go home, right? Short trades, same rules, just flip them upside down like your phone when the market's dropping. Look for sell signals above 0.5, red VIDYA vibes, and delta volume playing limbo below -20%. And there you have it, trading fam. The two-pole oscillator, your new secret weapon for catching trends like Pokemon. When paired with the VIDYA indicator, it's like having a GPS for market direction. If this video helped you understand trading better than your high school economics teacher ever did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips that won't put you to sleep. That's all for today. Now go forth and trade smarter. See you in the next video, where we'll turn more indicators into profit machines. Peace out, trading fam.